just wanted to show you how bad the snow was. Still snowing a little bit. Just gotta brush out the car. Here.
Okay, just don't get me. There's a brush inside.
Yeah, the car's locked there.
Huh?
The car's locked.
And it has begun, this lovely season we call winter.
Gotta grab the keys. Somewhere around. How bad it is up here.
Isn't this beautiful? This is Bondsville in winter, and this is our first snow. All the beautiful trees and everything. Out here brushing off the car and maybe doing a little bit of a shovel job. This is our first winter in the town of Palmer. It is quite beautiful. What, babe? Babe, you shouldn't let it run all the time. It's not going to die. I have a good battery as far as I know. I don't want to waste gas too much. And starting it up and stopping it is going to waste gas. And there's the light of my life. He's cleaning off my car for me because he's quite a gentleman. It's nice to have a man in the family. Now that I don't live at home anymore, my brother used to do it for me. It's a wee bit cold, but hey, such is the life of winter. What, do? Well, they're saying 6 before late tonight. Before it's all over, we're done with. Yeah. Huh?
I said, check it out. You got the clouds going.
We're probably going to end up... I want to shovel a little bit, too. Because when she comes home, we could have a little bit of it shoveled for her. And here's our beautiful small town, Main Street. Gonna have to put some salt down those stairs. Hopefully people won't be driving too crazy. What, Dill?
I cannot believe how hard it's snowing. I don't think I want to get all this snow. Huh?
I didn't say anything. You don't have to get all of it off. If you can't reach the middle of it, don't worry about it. As long as you get most of it off. You're taller than me, even. Just make sure you can see the license plate in the front and my lights. It's just a wee bit cold out here.
A wee bit?
Yeah, a wee bit. Get up here, babe. I know, but I also don't want your I don't want your phone in the snow very long. You can wreck the battery.
Probably you don't want to leave snow on top of your vehicle because driving down the road it could cause, especially if there's an accident or something.
And it is also very illegal in Massachusetts.
Well, I'm telling them why. The reason it's illegal is there could be a bottom of ice. Bottom layer of the ice on here, and when you drive it could break the ice up and the ice could fly off the roof of your car and damage someone's windshield and cause them to get into an accident. You don't want that.
Alright, babe, we're gonna have to turn off because the radio is still going too. That'll kill my battery. So let's wrap it up a little bit. My hand's frozen to the phone.
I figured you guys wanted to see it firsthand and close up. I did. So if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.